So today we are here in West Henderson in a beautiful master plan community called Inspirada. Now behind me, we are going to be touring a beautiful 2-story, 3,200 square feet home, 5 bedrooms with the primary bedroom downstairs. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is April 3rd, 2025, and today we're here at the grand opening of Lucere by Lennar here in Inspirada Henderson. Now, if you're not familiar with where Inspirada is, we are about 25-30 minutes south of the Las Vegas airport and Strip. Inspirada is a great master plan community, definitely one of my favorites. I actually live here. The reason why I love it is because you have parks close by, you have great schools. All those parks have like swimming pools, they're heated, and you have barbecue areas as well as basketball courts. But guys, I will have the floor plan on the screen for you. So here they offer 6 different floor plans, okay? All of them are going to be ranging from $634,990 all the way up to $767,990. Now that largest floor plan that you see, the Greg model, that's going to be the only next gen suite in the community. Okay, when you look at the base prices with Lennar, just so you know, the total price isn't actually too far off from the base price, okay? Because Lennar has a really nice standard features. Some of the upgrades that they'll typically do will either be like cabinets, countertops, and flooring, but that's pretty much it. No structural upgrades that you can do. Lennar is a volume builder. They are a spec builder. So by the time that you get into contract, most likely you're probably going to be purchasing a quick move-in home. The best part about buying quick move-in homes is Lennar has some of the best incentives right now. And if you want a good deal, you got to go with the move-in ready homes, guys. But if you're looking to still pick out, let's say like your flooring or cabinet, then you have to go with a lot that will be completed in about maybe like 4 or 5 months. That way you could still have time to pick out your options, okay? Out the door, you're looking at about mid 600 to about 800, okay? As far as the HOA is concerned, it's $138 a month, but that includes so much, guys. So again, you have all the amenities that I listed above, but also this specific community, you have Vision high-speed internet that goes up to 1.2 gigs, okay? Now, if that internet speed isn't fast enough for you, you could actually upgrade, and I mean, then you would have to pay a little bit more, but you could get faster speeds, okay? Now, schools here, for elementary, you have Shirley and Bill Wallen, Del E. Webb for your middle school, and then you have Liberty High School. Now this community is going to have 250 homes. Guys, they just opened. I think they sold about maybe like 10 to 12 homes, so they still have more room to grow. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Peter floor plan. Now the Peter floor plan is the 3,210 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And the base price as of today, guys, is $729,990. They do have a move-in ready home that is priced at $738,041. Now, what makes the Peter floor plan unique is the primary bedroom is downstairs and the guest bedrooms are upstairs, okay? Cool, so paver driveways included, desert landscaping. Your backyard is going to be a dirt lot. Though, so as soon as you move in, you have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. So we have the stairs that goes to the second floor. Yeah, if you love a house with a nice entryway with tall ceilings, guys, this might be the floor plan for you, because as soon as you walk in, it feels very spacious. Nice little area right here. So as soon as you walk in, you have like this nice little hallway. You're gonna have your powder room, your door to your garage, right over there. Okay, I think that's a coat closet. But here's your main living area space. So you have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. Okay, and just remember, guys, most of the spec homes, they're gonna have like different options, probably different flooring. Some have plank, some will have tile, but you know, like don't expect any of the spec homes to have carpet on the first floor. It'll be the same level material as far as like, you know, tile or planks. So they're gonna definitely upgrade flooring. What I'm seeing is they usually rotate between cabinet color. Sometimes they have white. I've seen the gray. They have this dark cabinet, which is really nice as well. And then straight over there, you're gonna have your primary bedroom, okay? And that's gonna be your pantry. So you have a nice large slider. This is really good size slider. It's gonna allow for a lot of natural light to come in. Oh, looks like it is locked. Okay, look, as you can see, plenty of lights here. All right, so I guess we'll start with a primary bedroom. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. As you can see, you have plenty of room. Now again, blinds aren't usually included. You know, if you work with me, definitely I could talk to my guy. We could definitely include that in your home purchase there if you're looking to buy a Lennar house. Okay. So here's going to be the bath. So you have like this nice long hallway as well. Okay. So to the right, you're going to have your toilet room. Right over here, you're gonna have your primary closet. And then you'll have your dual sinks. Okay, quartz countertop. I'm sure most of the bathrooms are gonna have this type of quartz, as you can see right here. Most of the spec homes and homes will have that. Moen faucet, undermount sinks. You can expect that in all the spec homes as well. No configurations to the bathroom, so you know what you see is what you get for the most part. You're gonna have this tub, you're gonna have this walk-in shower. Yeah. Cool. So your linen closet. All your doors are gonna be the 5-panel doors, which is nice and modern, right? Some of the builders, they just do the 2-panel doors. Okay. Right, so welcome to the kitchen. Plenty of cabinets in the kitchen. So you have this whole wall right here, and then, you know, there's plenty of cabinets on that other side as well. Yeah, this is the same color cabinets I have actually. Okay, and then what you're looking at, so this is upgraded quartz. They might be using these in some of the spec homes as well. This is definitely an upgrade. They're bringing the quartz up. Don't think they're gonna do too much of that, but they may. But depending on how early that you get in and like what lot that you want. For example, if you're interested in a lot that won't be completed, maybe 3 or 4 months, still 3 or 4 months from being completed, you may be able to choose your backsplash. But the closer that these homes get to being completed, they just kind of will pick out all the options. And the thing about backsplash is it's very hit or miss, right? So with backsplash, it's either the buyers will love it or they'll hate it. So they tend to avoid it, doing backsplash for spec homes, unless it's like this. I feel like this is the nicest looking backsplash to me, when it's just a continuation of the countertop and it just goes straight to under the cabinet. But that's also the most it's more pricier compared to, you know, doing other backsplashes, because you got to buy the whole slab. Cool, so you're gonna have the GE appliance package here. So oven, stovetop, microwave, a refrigerator, okay, dishwasher. Oh, and people always ask as well. So it does vent outside your house. Okay, stainless steel undermount sink. So you got this nice Mullen faucet. All right, GE refrigerator. Well, you're gonna have a thermostat right here that controls the temperature downstairs. So this is your powder room. So you have your toilet, your single sink. Okay, so this is the bathroom that if you have guests over, you're most likely gonna use this one. I think the garage is locked. So it looks like you have some storage space right here, which is nice. Okay, right here. So it looks like, I mean, you get a security company and they'll install a system. They'll control the locks and your security in your house. Okay. But yeah, I love me a house with a really nice entryway. Now, I already been upstairs, but the vinyl planks, they run the vinyl planks all throughout the stairs and the second floor. Guys, for the spec homes, they're not going to do that. They're just going to do like what's usually standard is they're going to have carpet and on the stairs in the second floor. They usually just put the hard flooring on the first floor. But yeah, a lot of buyers will actually, once they move in, sometimes they'll change out the flooring and they'll remove the carpet. So as soon as you walk in, you have a really nice size loft. So you'll have 2 bedrooms down there, and then you'll have the other 2 bedrooms over here, okay? So you have a linen closet. Oh, then also you have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Also, every bedroom is gonna come with a pre-wire for the ceiling fan, and you'll have it in every bedroom, so that way you could set up a ceiling fan and have a light at the same time. Okay, really nice, good size bedroom right here. You can see it has a Jack and Jill bath. Okay, so it'll share a bathroom with that other bedroom. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because once you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email, or they might have you fill out a card. Once you fill that out, then it's gonna be really hard for you to get representation in that community. And you definitely want representation, guys, because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after your best interest. So there's a huge difference. We're really familiar with the process. We know when to negotiate. So, you know, definitely get yourself some representation. Okay, really good size rooms. Okay, it's walk-in closet. Oh, okay, so it's just wall. So it's just this right here. Okay, these doors are 6x8. Ceilings are 9 foot. You got transfer grills in here, up there to regulate airflow. You have your attic access up there. Smoke CO2 detector right there. Okay, this is gonna be a thermostat that controls the temperature upstairs. And then right here, you're gonna have your laundry room. Okay, you have some nice cabinets, some room for your linens. Smart panel box. This is where you connect a router and your modem. Okay, so it looks like this is gonna be the bath that these 2 bedrooms share. Looks like this bedroom, you have access to this bath through this door from that bedroom. Okay, single sink, quartz countertop. Shower tub, fiberglass. Okay. Yeah, really nice size rooms. Now, as far as the paint goes, you're looking at this. It's just flat white paint. Okay, it's going to be all throughout the house. So you got a closet right here. Yeah, this room feels more spacious, actually. Okay, that's for a fire sprinkler right there. So you have your walk-in closet. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so this bedroom actually has its own full bath. So yeah, that's nice. That bedroom has its own bath. Okay. Single sink, toilet, shower tub. Yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the Peter floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this floor plan. And again, if you are interested in knowing the incentives, or you need help, or you're looking for the best Lennar deal, I definitely work with one of the best Lennar agents in Las Vegas, and he always works with me in making sure my clients get the best deal. So guys, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.